RN, will you please read the question?
1 minute, ma'am. Of which values of A and B
Yes, A and
do,
B,
do the following pair of linear equations
right?
have infinite solutions?
Infinitely many solutions, okay?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
tell me the equations.
2x plus 3y
2x
equals
plus
to
3y
7.
is equal to 7 and
Ma'am, A minus B into x, ma'am, plus A plus B into y equals to 3A plus B minus 2.
sorry, RN, will you please repeat it? Equal to?
Ma'am, equals to 3A plus B minus 2.
This.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, in this you have to find the values of A and B. And one thing you have given that the system of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. So for infinitely many solutions, so we have this condition now. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, from first equation, the value of A1 is 2, value of B1 is 3, and value of C1 will be minus 7. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And from second equation, the value of A2 will be A minus B. Value of B2 is A plus B. And value of C2 will be minus 3A plus B minus 2. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now for infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. We have this condition A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Now just put the values of A1, B1 and C1. So A1 is 2 upon A2 is A minus B is equal to B1 is 3, B2 is A plus B is equal to C1 is minus 7 and this minus 3A plus B minus 2. Clear, beta? Now all three ratios are equal. So I am taking first two ratios first of all to solve it. Okay. So from first two ratios, cross multiply. So by cross multiplication, you will get 2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So now shift this 2A here and B here. So 3A minus 2A will be equal to 2B plus 3B.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
value
ma'am.
of B 5B, right? The
Yes, ma'am.
value of A is 5B. Now you can take first and second, you can take second and third ratio or first or last ratio. So I am taking now first and last ratio. So 2 upon A minus B is equal to 7 upon 3A plus B minus 2. Now cancel minus minus, then it will be positive. Don't show this part cancelling, okay? Right? Meher, good evening. Sudhamshu, good evening,
Ma'am.
beta.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Children, why you are joined late, you both?
Ma'am, I had some network issues. So I was not able.
Okay, Sudhamshu. And what about you, Meher?
Ma'am, I was eating something.
Okay. Children, first of all, I am explaining this homework question. Second question of your homework. Okay. So in that question, you have to find the value of A and B. The following system of linear equation was given: 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and A minus B into x plus A plus B into y is equal to 3A plus B minus 2. So beta, first of all, from these two equations, you will write the values of A1, B1 and C1, then A2, B2 and C2. Clear? Now, you have given this condition that infinitely many solutions. So for infinitely many solution, we have this ratio, we have this condition that A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Clear? Now just put the values of A1, B1 and C1 and A2 and B2 and C2 in the ratios. So we get 2 upon A minus B is equal to 3 upon A plus B is equal to minus 7 upon minus 3A plus B minus 2. Now, after solving these first two ratios, I have solved here, just cross multiply them. Then you will get 2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3. So, on solving it, you will get A is equal to 5. Clear, beta? Meher Sudhamshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri?
Yes.
Good evening, Siddhishri.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, children? Nobody want to say anything, right? Okay. Now, after that, after this thing, we will take first and last ratio. So this is 2A upon 2 upon A minus B is equal to 7 upon 3A plus B minus 2. Now, we have to cross multiply it. Just cross multiply. So you will get 2 3 ja 6A, 2 into B is 2B, 2 2 ja is 4. Now multiply this 7 by A minus B, then it will be 7A minus 7. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now segregate the like terms. So shift this 7A to left hand side and B to right hand side. So just write here 6A minus 7A minus 4 is equal to minus 7B minus 2B. Right. Now 6A minus 7A will be minus A minus 4 is equal to 7B minus 2B is minus 9. Right. Or minus 4 is equal to minus 9B plus A. Now what is the value of A here in terms of B? This is 5B beta. So minus 4 will be minus 9B plus 5B. Clear? So now subtracted minus 4 is equal to minus 9 plus 5. Minus 4B. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, then value of B will be 1. 4 divided 5, 4 will be 1. And then value of A will be A is equal to 5B. Means A is equal to 5 into 1. It will be 5. So value of A is 5. This is your answer. Yes, class, all have understood?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any doubt in this question? You can ask me. If any step is not clear to you, just tell me, beta.
Understood.
Okay. Kindly note it down it. And children, in your coming subjective test of maths, these type of questions will come only. Okay. Few questions will be of that to check whether the given system of equation have no solution or unique solution of infinitely many solutions. Okay. This type of question. And second type is this to find the unknown quantity. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next question is, question number 1 is, find the value of k for which the following pair of equations have no solution. Find value of k for which the following system of equations have no solution. So first equation is 3x plus y is equal to 1, and second is 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. Now children, any idea what we have to do in this question? Any idea? Tell me.
No solution means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1.
Is not equal to or equal to,
No,
it has no
equal, sorry, equal
lines
to.
are parallel, right?
Yes, ma'am, lines are, sorry.
Yeah. So first of all, you will write this equation 1 in standard form. How you will write? Speak children. 3x plus y
minus 1.
is equal to 0. And then second equation you will write like this. 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Got it, children? So
Yes,
in this type of question, first step you have to do this. Okay. This will be your first step. Now next step. Sudhanshu,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the values of A1, B1 and C1.
A1 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to 1, C1 is equal to minus 1.
Yes, very good. Now next is Meher.
Ma'am, A1 is 2k minus 1.
Yes, 2k minus 1.
B2
B2
is
is?
k minus 1.
Yes, and C2 is?
2k plus 1.
Minus 2.
Minus 2k plus 1. Because you have to take care of sign also. So children, for no solution, what is your condition? That A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Right? Is not equal to C1 upon C2. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So just put the values of A1,
Ma'am
A2, B1, B2.
Ma'am is K is equal to minus 1.
What?
Now, what's the answer, ma'am? Once I answer.
Okay, you are
Check.
saying the answer, you are telling the answer. What is your
Yes,
value
ma'am.
of
Like,
K?
is it minus 1?
No. Check it once again.
Okay.
Right. So now value of A1 is 3. Value of A2 is 2k minus 1. Value of B1 is 1. B2 is k minus 1 is not equal to minus 1 upon minus 2k plus 1. Now, first of all, we will solve these first two ratios, beta. Right? So, you will cross multiply them. So, cross multiply 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. Am I clear? Now, our next step is we have to segregate the like terms. So, you will write 2k on the left hand side. So, it will acquire minus sign. So, 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3. Now, 3k minus 2k is k is equal to 2. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Now, I am going to solve now last two ratios. So, solve them. 1 upon k minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Now, cross multiply. So, 2k plus 1 is not equal to k minus 1. Clear?
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
beta? Speak, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now transpose this k to the left hand side. So 2k minus k will be not equal to minus k minus 1. So k is not equal to minus 2. So what you will write? The given pair of linear equation has no solution when the value of k is value of k is 2. Okay. So at the end you will write the linear equations has no solution when x is equal to, when k is equal to 2. Clear, beta? All have understood?
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes,
just
ma'am.
wrote the question wrong.
Abhinava, have you got your mistake?
Answer. Yes,
Abhinav?
ma'am. I wrote the question wrong.
Okay. So just take care of all the things now, beta. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Abhinav, Aryan, Siddhishri, Sudhamshu, Meher, Ionija, have you understood all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note it down it.
Ma'am, what is the use of finding k is not equal to minus 2?
Because we have given now, beta. Because we have this ratio that A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, not equal to C1 upon C2. So we have to solve this, okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
it means the system has no solution except k is equal to minus 2, right?
Ma'am, noted.
Yes.
Got it?
Noted.
Yes.
Yes, children, you all have written?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
May I proceed to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Meher is responding. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now next question is, next question, children, you will solve. So that I came to know whether you all have understood or not. So again, system has no solution. System of linear equations, no solution. Okay. And equations are kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 2. And second equation is 12x plus ky is equal to k. Then find the value of k. Yes, children, start doing. And kindly turn on your video. Please turn on your camera. Nobody wants to turn on the camera, right?
Ma'am, almost everyone turned on. Okay.
Okay. Children, are you able to solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is the value of k 4?
No. Just check it
6.
once.
6.
Yes, yes. 6 and minus 6.
Yes, same.
Siddhishri, are you able to solve it?
Ma'am, I'm still doing.
Okay. Children, first of all, write both of the equations in standard form. So your first equation will be kx plus 3y minus k minus 2 will be equal to 0. And your second equation will be 12x plus ky minus k is equal to 0. Now this is your first equation and this is your second, right? Sudhamchu, Siddhishri, Meher, Ayonija,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Siddhishri,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, tell me the values of A1, B1 and C1.
Ma'am, A1K
Yes,
and B1 is 3
yes. And C1?
and -2.
This whole beta, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Minus k minus 2.
-2.
Now, quickly just tell me the values of A2, B2 and C2.
Ma'am, A2 is 12,
Yes.
K and
B2
minus 2.
is k and C2 is minus.
Minus K.
So, yes. Sudhamchu,
Yes, ma'am.
Sudhamchu, tell me the condition for linear equation to be have to have non-solution, no solution.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2.
Yes. And this condition is for no solution, right? So now put the values of A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. So A1 is K upon 12 is equal to B1 is 3 upon K not equal to minus K minus 2 upon minus K. You all have done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Siddhishri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now take first two ratios, right, to solve it. So cross multiply, then K square will be equal to 36, right? And square root of 36 will be
6.
plus minus 6. It means value of K is 6 and minus 6. Ayonija, have you got your mistake?
मैम एक्चुअली वो 36 तक सही था, वो गलती से k की वैल्यू 4 कर दी थी, वो 36 करने रूट तो
It means 4 4 is 36, right?
नो वो गलती से
Okay, it's okay. Practice makes a man perfect. So do practice of each and every question which we are doing in a class. Okay. Now take last two fractions. Now take last two fractions. So here 3 upon k is not equal to minus k minus 2 upon minus k. This minus minus will be positive beta. So it will be 3 by k is not equal to k minus 2 upon k. Right? So now you can cross multiply. Cross multiply. So 3k will not equal to k square minus 2k. Right? Okay. Now you can solve it. So just shift here. So k square is not equal to 5k. So k is not equal to 5 and 0. Clear, beta? Or you can do one thing. See, instead of this, 3 upon k is not equal to k minus 2 upon k. You can cancel this k with k. So you will get 3 is not equal to k minus 2. Then k is not equal to 5. Okay? Got it my point?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. How did you convert K square into K?
See, k square is not equal to 5k. You can divide both sides by k. Then it will be k is not equal to 5. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I took root actually.
Okay, it's okay. No worries, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Siddhishri, Sudhamshu, Ayonija, Meher, Aryan, Abhinav, all have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
all have got the same answer?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan and Abhinav, you are not
Yes, ma'am.
saying anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I solved it.
Kindly noted it, those who have not done. Okay, Meher,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself. Tell me the condition for system to be consistent.
Ma'am, I didn't revise.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I didn't revise them.
Why, beta? Yesterday I told you, na?
Yes, ma'am.
See, if system, I am talking about system is consistent, it means it has solution. So there will be two things. One is system has unique solution or system has infinitely many solutions. Clear? So you will write both the things. May I raise it? All have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Show me your thumbs up, children, if you all have written. Sudhamshu have done.
Done.
Okay then. Today you will learn it again.
okay,
So
ma'am.
see, if I am asking this, system is consistent. System is consistent, it means it has unique solution and it has infinitely many solutions. For unique solution, what is the condition? That A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Right? And for infinitely many solution, all ratios will be equal. Right? Ayonija,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me conditions for the lines to be parallel.
Ma'am, when A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, but it's not equal to C1 upon C2, and no solutions are there.
Yes, very good. Now for parallel lines, the first two ratios will be equal. And if lines are parallel, it means they are not intersecting. So if they are not intersecting, it means parallel line and there will be no solution. So if no solution is there, it means system is inconsistent. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I'm asking you that tell me the condition, the lines to be intersecting. Line to be intersecting. So what is the condition? Aryan? Aryan, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2.
A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Good, Meher. Sudhamshu,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the condition for the lines to be coincident line.
A1
The
by
lines to be coincident.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2.
Yes. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So these things, children, you have to learn. You have to fix these things in your mind. Else you will not, you won't be able to solve these type of questions. Right? So so today also you have to revise all the things. And tomorrow I will take your oral test again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Good evening.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, all of you.